glimpse, or peek as it is sometimes called, is a way to ascertain either the top or the bottom card of the deck without any inclination of doing so. Glimpsing is one of the easiest moves to do and provides a substantial advantage. Our first glimpse we're going to talk about is the bubble glimpse, and it's done like this. The cards can be legitimately shuffled, and let's say I just dealt the round out to everybody, and I'm going to peek at my cards, and I can tell the top card is the King of Hearts. This is the explanation for the bubble peek. The left thumb places pressure down on the upper left-hand corner of the deck and slides inward toward the middle finger. Note the grip that I'm in. Slides to the right, and this will peek up, just like a bubble. That's how it gets its name. When this is angled towards you, you can spot the index of the top card. You can see that it's a king. That's probably a good angle for you guys to see that. So, once again with a different card, the cards are dealt out, and I glimpse the top card. I can see now that's the 10 of diamonds. This is the heel glimpse. The cards are dealt, and then in making a motion towards the pot, hey did you guys ante, you can glimpse the 10 of diamonds on top of the deck. This is the explanation for the heel glimpse, or heel peek. The left thumb is going to pick up on one card, just on the left corner like this, and bend it with the index finger pushing down. That'll cause the card to bend just like this. So if you hold the cards out, you can glimpse the index of the card on top. So in context, you need to gesture with this move. It can't be done just all on its own. So I gesture like that, and I saw it's the 3 of clubs. This next glimpse is called the gambler's glimpse. The cards are dealt, and in an action of squaring the cards, I could see the bottom card was the 7 of spades. This is the explanation to the gambler's glimpse. The gambler's glimpse is used to spot the bottom card as opposed to the other glimpse as we're looking at the top card. This is exactly what happens. While you're holding the deck, your right hand comes over and your thumb is planted right directly at the back. With your left hand, you're going to push up on this deck quite firmly in order to get that card to bend. You can see how that card's bending right there, and it will flash the face of that card right at you. It simply looks like you're squaring the deck. You square, and you can see the bottom card. Once again, the cards are cut, they're squared just like that, and you can see the 5 of spades is on bottom. This next glimpse is one of the easiest ones to use. In dealing the cards, I can see exactly what my opponent has. He has a 3-7. Even if the cards are cut and shuffled, I can still tell exactly what the opponents have. That's a 4, and that's a 3 of clubs. If I fooled you on that last glimpse, don't feel bad. I use the shiner. A shiner is a mirror or any reflective object that you can use to see the cards as you deal them. I prefer to clip the shiner in between the index finger and middle finger as I deal. So I can see that that's the 8 of hearts. I'm just looking right at the reflection of that card as it's dealt. If it was a lighter or cigarette case, you can just peek in it as you deal directly over it. Jack of hearts, Jack of spades. And that's the use of a shiner.